of Allah the Almighty, who is the Master of the light. Respected teachers, observing judges, and my lovely audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I got a chance to share my thoughts on a title which is Power of Raising Voice. Raising one's voice holds immense power in society, as it serves as a catalyst for change. It challenges injustice and amplifies the voices of the marginalized. The impact of raising one's voice can be profound, both in terms of bringing about immediate change and inspiring future generations to fight for justice. When individuals speak out against injustice and oppression, they not only empower themselves but also empower others to do the same. By raising awareness, create a sense of solidarity and unity among communities. However, the power of voice is not without its challenges and limitations. In many parts of the world, journalists, activists, and human rights defenders who speak out against the powerful interests, harassment, imprisonment, and even violence are often targeted for their work. Their voices are silenced in an attempt to maintain the status quo and suppress dissent. The fear of resistance can deter many people from speaking out, leading to a chilling effect on freedom of expression and democratic participation. It remains a critical tool for promoting social change, advancing human rights in an increasingly interconnected and globalized world. Individuals have more opportunities than ever to raise their voices and make a difference in their communities. By speaking out against injustice, discrimination, and inequality, individuals can build solidarity, promoting dialogue, and inspire positive change in society. Lovely fellows, looking at the future of the power of raising voice is both promising and uncertain. As technology continues to evolve and shape how to communicate with one another, social media platforms, for example, have provided a powerful tool for individuals to amplify their messages and reach a wider audience. It is essential to be responsible in how they use their platform and engage with others. By amplifying marginalized voices, promoting diversity and inclusion, and fostering a culture of respect and empathy, we can build a more just society where all individuals have the freedom to raise their voices and be heard. In conclusion, the power of raising voice is a fundamental aspect of democracy and freedom of expression that has the potential to effect profound change in society. It should not be underestimated. It is a tool for advocacy, empowerment, and positive change. So let us all commit to speaking out, standing together, and making our voices heard for a better, more just world. So thank you.